There is a place where the waters run pure, where the forests are lush and protected from harm. Here, at the edge of the world, the Australian nature thrives. Down here, the breeze is fresh, the water is clear, and the soils are rich in nutrients. This is our home. This is Australian by nature. Here, the environment allows us to produce the very best that nature can supply, and we produce it pure right here, all for you. It's only natural that our passion for improving health and well-being grows from trusting that nature knows best. We believe that only the finest ingredients are found in nature, so we create our products to provide truly functional solutions. As in nature, your health and well-being is a delicate balance of prevention, recovery and relief. Our philosophy of long-term holistic approach to health and well-being runs throughout our entire product range. For over 20 years, Australian by Nature has been producing beehive products, natural health supplements and complementary medicines to the highest industry standards. We pioneered natural beehive products sourced from the nectar of the wild manuka tree. These unique trees grow uncultivated throughout Australia and New Zealand, providing only nature's finest. While nature's produce is pure, it's up to us to keep it that way. So we maintain a strict quality and testing process before, during and after manufacturing. Here, quality comes first and stays first. Our 22 years of high standards has built an international reputation for quality. Renowned in Australia and internationally, we continue to provide the very best natural health products. And when travelling throughout Australia, our customers can always find us on the shelves of major duty-free stores. But home is where our heart lives. Not only because we love it for its pristine environment and produce, but because Australians rely on us for our unbroken promise. A promise held to the highest Australian industry standards to provide the very best natural health products and complementary medicines that only nature can provide. Found in nature, made with passion, shared with the world. Australian by Nature.